Hi, my name is Salman Amir, and in this video we will discuss types of windows. Usually we use a palette type of windows and dialog type of window and window state types of windows. We are using palette type windows in many scripts, and mostly the artists do this type of prefer this type of windows, palette windows. So today we will talking about and discussing in detail like which one pick and why. So first we will talk about we have the palette window. So let's see what's its properties and what we can do with this type of window. We have three windows types: palette window, dialog type, and the window state. So first we will talk about the palette type of window. Palette type is also called a modulus dialog or a floating palette. Like you can float anywhere, or it's like floating type. When this type of window is active, you can do operation outside this window and also load another new window. If you load this palette type of window and again run the script, it will create another dialog. Same, if you run the same script, you have the double script, like you show the double user interface of. Let me show you the example. If I run my script, I have this IDEX script and I have this script run, but if I move here and I can do anything operation like selecting, copying, pasting anything, or selecting anything in this windows like here, and do and make selection or anything like this. But and it's active in state. But if I run again this script, I have my another palette type of window script, and I have this two and this two. So you see this palette type window, and it can be used for creating main graphical user interface. You can create your main user interface, add buttons, sliders, images, icon buttons, anything you want. But I prefer you, if you are do scripting and creating the UI of your script, then choose this type of window, because it's very useful and very handy, and if you use this you would know how this does. If I have this type of palette type of window, okay, I can create I can create another type of window and adding my elements like windows or like, but it's let me show you another example. The palette type of window, this is the palette type of window. I can do operations without like I don't have any errors, or the this window is not blinking, like it's active and you should have to close this. But you can do operation like copy pasting and whatever your script does and its functionalities. But you can do operation like selecting another layers and do things whatever you want. Like you can do operation without or outside of the palette window, and it's very useful and handy. Like, and mostly artists used this type of window to create their user interface, which is showing to like this is the user interface of my script IDEC. And if I jump to my second window, this is the first type of my window, and I'm jumping to the second one. like it's the dialog type. It is also called as a modal dialog. When this type of window is active, you can't do operation outside this window until this is closed, because if you open your dialog window and anything like information or about stuff and info about the script, you can put anything in your dialog window, elements, checkboxes or anything, but it doesn't do operation outside of your script until you close this or do close this. If you close, then you can do another operation outside your applications, whatever you using, like Photoshop, Illustrator, Premiere Pro or After Effects. I usually do scripting for After Effects, Premiere Pro and Photoshop. So if let me show you the example. First, this, if I click on my this palette window script, this will load, and I have assigned this button to create a dialog, because it will show the about of this script or show like information what I put in this script. So if I click, it is same like if you thinking like it is the same as this. If you see like this element is going dimmed, so like the other and this After Effects also dimmed, like you can see if I click anywhere, the application warn me like it is active and you can do operation outside the. If I select again and again, it will always blinking or wiggling like the edges and showing me that it's active and you can do any operation. Like you should do if you want to like operation doing outside this, you should close this. So if I close this and do anything, I can do. It can be used for displaying dialogues, alerts and information stuffs like about, like I put in this script. This is my about, like version showing, the copyright options and the rights, and what it does, like showing the in short lines, and what I am and what our script, like it is dockable or not, so, or the logo. If I close this, I have my control of anything outside of this script. And I have another example of the dialog, like help. If I select this, so I have have added this icon button and the simple button that closes this window, the dialog window type. And here I put my logo of the script here and text, and also the icon button. If you click on this, it will take you to my social media platform. You can follow me. So if I I can't do any operation because it's also the dialog type of window. So if I close this, I can do whatever I want. And you can use this for creating information like alerts, and because this is very colorful, you can add images or help or anything you want. Let me close this. And third, this is the second type of window, dialog, and in third we have the window type. Window is I have put this text in wrong. Let me just I have copied this all text and just edit this, but I didn't edit it edited it perfectly. So it is similar window. Everything you see in the yellow like window, it's it means that the window type, everything you see, this is saying the window type, and this is also saying the Windows type. And it is similar window like applications window, like your After Effects or Photoshop. Like the window type of window is window type of window is like your After Effects, like it has the cross, maximize, minimize, title, and also you can put the icon. If you have seen the Newton script or plugin, like it has load in that way. So I have prepared I think I prepared for you window. Yes, I prepared this for you, showing this. I have this 1, 2 left and right button, and as you can see, it is look like the Windows. We have icon here, but it's empty, and the title of like the After Effects, and you can also do anything you want in operation outside this window, because in like After Effects is also window, you can do stuff by minimizing this and do whatever you want in After Effects or the extended script toolkit. So we have this 1, 2 button and left and right button added, and also maximize and minimize this. So you can just maximize this, and it's showing like the window type because type is window, and you can see it's like the application type of window, and you can put your script into this window type of window. So you can hope you understand what I'm saying, because it's little bit of confusing, because Windows, when we talk about the palette and dialog window, it makes sense, but we are talking about the window type of window. So hope you understand. So window type of window, here we have logo like the every application window does, like the MS Word, they have this window type, window icon, oh window again, window, and like Photoshop as is the PS icon. Hope you understand why I'm so over explaining this. So you can minimize, maximize this, and also close this. So if you have any question about the window, or you are thinking like it's something I make like to you confusing, so let me know in the comments, or just hit a message on my social media platform, so I can tell you more about if you don't get it. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you find something useful information from this video. And sorry for my English is not much good because it's my fourth language, so I didn't say what I say. Thank you, and I will see you next time.